Alright everyone, so this video is going to be a quick explanation of how to do this question so you guys can do well on your final exam. So really quickly it says line L is shown below. Right triangles ABC and DEF are drawn to measure the slope of the line. And then it says complete the parts below from the run, rise, and slope, and then it asks you to answer some questions. So for this question, you need to look at the slope. Well, you're trying to find the slope of this line and of the two triangles on here. So it's going to be really simple. Quick note, I apologize, my dog's in the back making a ton of noise, but I'm just trying to get this video out to y'all. So that's what that is. Anyway, so for this question, you need to look at specifically what it's asking you, because I've seen a lot of people mess up this question. So it says from the run, rise, and slope of ABC. So sometimes people do the question and they do the wrong one, and that's what messes them up. So ABC is your triangle that is right here. So I am going to find the run. So the run is essentially how far left and right. What is the distance between the 2 points? So my distance between the 2 points, I start at 0, and then I go to 6. So the run of this part of this triangle is 6. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to put 6. And then it says, what is the rise? So I start, there's two ways you can do this. You can count it out. But be careful when you count it. A lot of people say 1, 2, 3, 4, and it doesn't work like that. You're talking about distance. So you have 1, 2, 3, and then it goes there. Okay. So the rise of this is 3. Another way to look at this is that behind my massive just writing around here, this is 5. And then this goes to this point, which is 8. What is the difference between that? That is 3. So I know that that is 3. So a quick review. Slope is rise over run. Okay. So rise over run in this is 3/6, which simplifies to 1/2. Okay. So that is that first one. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to erase all this nonsense. And then I'm going to go back and do the next part of the question. Okay, so the next one I need to do is EDF, and it's going to ask you the same thing. It's just going to say, what is the run? Well, the run is, what is the distance between these 2 points? So again, I can say, okay, well, it's 1, 2, okay? Or I can say, well, it goes from 2 to 4. Right, so 2 to 4, so the difference of that is 2. So over here, I'm going to say my run is 2, and then I'm going to erase this so you can see it nicely, and then up here, it goes to 1. So the rise is 1, so run. So when I put that in, it's 1/2, and that doesn't simplify. Now, I simplified this. If you do not simplify these fractions, yes, the slope is 3/6 here, and 1/2 here. If you don't simplify it, it will count it as wrong. So make sure you are simplifying it. It doesn't say to simplify it in the question, but it is going to tell you that you're wrong if you don't. So when you go to the bottom, it's going to say, are the two slopes computed above equal? Now, because you simplified, these two things are going to be equal, right? So you're going to say, yes, they are equal. Under no circumstances should you put no. If these two aren't equal, you got the question wrong. Go back and change it. Okay. So for this specific question, you're never gonna hit no. So if you do that, you're wrong. I'm sorry. My other dog is snoring in the background. I'm sure you can hear it. I'm not farting. Anyway, so it says yes, they are equal because the two triangles are congruent. Reminder: congruent means equal, like exactly the same, like cut and paste. These two triangles are not cut and pasted. Okay, so if it says yes, they are equal because this is not it. Okay, so the one you're looking for is yes, They are equal because the two triangles are similar. Similar means that they are in similar proportions. So your run and your rise is in the same proportion as the rise over the run. Okay, and I know that because these two guys over here are the same. Okay, so for this answer at the bottom, you're always going to click yes, they are equal because they are similar. Okay, and if these aren't similar, they're not equal, then it's just wrong. So that is how to do this question. I've seen this one a lot, so hopefully this was helpful, and good luck.